How to increase their display resolution on your laptop. What's up everyone, welcome back to the video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily increase your display resolution. In order to do that, first you have to click on your start menu and then head over to your settings. Now once your settings is open, just go to system and from here scroll down until you see display. So it's on the first option, just click on display, and then if you scroll down you will see this display resolution. You can set it to the highest setting possible that is available on your laptop. So this is the maximum capacity of my display screen, so that's how you can change it right here. So this is the maximum capacity of my display, you can see here. Now all you have to do is the second method is you have to go to advanced display, and from here you can choose a refresh rate from here if that's available on your display. Now you just have to click on this display adapter properties and it will open up something like this. From here you can click on monitor and change the refresh rate. From here click on properties, and here if you go back to your adapter you can see this option that says list all modes. Click on it and here you can set it to the highest setting that you have, and then click on OK and click on OK. And by doing this, your display resolution should increase. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on new videos. I will see you guys on the next one.